Welcome back to the channel. So, you forgot your Android password? Don't worry, today's video will show you guys how to unlock Android phone without password. This could remove the screen locks from Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, Google Pixel, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, or any other brand, getting you back into your phone again. Okay, let's first start with a crucial Android password unlocking strategy. When you forget the password to unlock the Android screen, you have to factory reset the device to be able to bypass the Android lock screen. This also means that all data on the phone will be erased, but if you've already kept backups in your Google account, you won't risk at losing anything, as you can restore your data after the reset. With that in mind, let's explore 3 effective ways on how to unlock Android password after forgetting completely. Whether you recently changed the password and can't remember what it is, or you bought a second-hand device that is still locked by the previous owner, you're able to unlock your Android phone without needing the password, PIN, or pattern. Alright, the first method is to access Android recovery menu and reset your locked device and password. Now, grab your Android phone and turn off it completely. Once the screen is black, you will need to enter recovery mode. The button combination varies by phone brand, and for some devices, you may need to connect the device to computer. Okay, I use a Samsung Galaxy S10 here, so I need to first connect it to a PC. Then press the power button, volume up button, and Bixby button together. When you see the phone brand logo, don't release the buttons. Keep holding on them until you get into the recovery mode screen. For most Android brands like newer Samsung Galaxy phone, Motorola, OnePlus, Google Pixel, TCL and more, you just press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously until the recovery menu shows up. Now from the recovery menu, press the volume down button to navigate to wipe data, factory reset option, and press the power to confirm the selection. Then, choose factory data reset option or yes option. Your Android phone will instantly reset itself and erase the lock screen password you forgot. After you see the data wipe complete message at the bottom of the screen, select the reboot system now option and press power button to confirm. Your smartphone will take a few minutes to boot up. Just sit back and wait. Once it starts up, you will be on the welcome screen and begin the setup process. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account or Samsung account for Samsung users, and set up your phone as if it were new or restore from a backup. Unfortunately, if you don't know the credentials of your Google or Samsung account and stuck on the verification screen, your Android phone is still locked out with the factory reset protection lock, also called FRP. But that doesn't have to be a hurdle. With Appgeeker Android Unlocker software, you can truly unlock your Android phone and restore full access. Not only can the tool remove the screen locks like PIN, password, pattern, facial recognition or fingerprint, but it can bypass the Google FRP effectively. For this method to work, you can find the download link in the description below the video. After you download and install Android Unlocker on your computer, launch it to begin with unlocking your locked Android device without screen password and Google account password. First, on the main interface, choose Remove Screen Password mode. Then, choose what manufacturer your Android device is, such as Samsung, OnePlus, Huawei, Oppo, Motorola, HTC, or whatever. After that, connect your phone to the computer with a USB cable. The utility will automatically detect your phone info and analyze your system. If it isn't recognized, you may manually boot the phone from recovery mode by clicking "The device is connected but cannot be recognized." Once your phone is connected successfully, click the Remove Now button. The software starts erasing all data and unlocking the Android phone that's locked without password. When you see Remove Successfully message pop up on the screen, congratulations! You've successfully unlocked your Android phone. You can now open the device without password, go through the setup process, and restore your data and settings from a previous Google backup. Unfortunately, any files that were not backed up are gone. If you're asked to verify your account but you've forgotten your Google account and password to sign in, return to the main screen of the Android Unlocker, and then use the Bypass Google FRP Lock mode to quickly remove Google account from Android after factory reset and regain access. Okay, let's come to method 3. Unlock Android phone when forgotten the password using Google Find Hub through a remote factory reset. However, this method only works for those who have previously enabled Find My Device feature before forgetting the password to Android. Alright, on a computer or another phone that's accessible, open a web browser, and go to Google Find Hub website. Then sign into your Google account associated with your locked Android device. Once logged in, you should see the device linked to your Google account. Click on your Android device you forgot password to, and then choose Reset your device to factory settings option. This will remotely reset the device to factory settings and wipe off all data including the password and screen lock. Click Next button. When promoted, re-enter your Google account username and password to authenticate your identity. Finally, click Reset button, and choose Clear to initiate forgotten password unlocking process. Wait for the phone to erase anything. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection for a remote reset to run. Once your phone has been unlocked without password and rebooted, go through the setup process. Make sure to enter your Google account that were used to originally set up the device to bypass the FRP security lockout before you can get back to use it. That's everything about how to unlock an Android device without a password. Hope you can get into your phone even you don't have the password or forget it. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments which method you used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.